This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activity. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. Hello everyone. Welcome to Ashwar, the tree of knowledge. In this video, we will learn about Ajanta Caves, which were designated as the first UNESCO World Heritage Site of India. UNESCO is an acronym for the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, which is a specialized agency of the United Nations. The World Heritage Program of UNESCO aims to catalogue and preserve sites of the outstanding importance of natural and cultural heritage. Ajanta is located 107 kilometers from Aurangabad and lies in the Deccan Plateau towards the north-central part of the Indian state of Maharashtra. The caves are located on the rocky northern wall of the U-shaped gorge of the Sadri Ranges along River Vagur. It comprises a cluster of around 29 Buddhist caves, which constitute ancient viharas or monasteries and chaityas or the prayer halls. The viharas were used by Buddhist monks for meditation. These are simple with minimal ornamentation and have elevated bed in each cell. In front of the entrance, there are stupa or sculptures of Buddha. The chaityas were lavishly ornamented halls used as a place of worship, with rock-cut stupa and a circumambulatory passage around it. The halls are adorned with alluring pillars. Some of these caves have been excavated by the skilled artists to about 100 feet. Cave number 9 and 10 are the oldest of all caves and took around 400 years to complete them. The caves include brilliantly executed rock-cut sculptures. Apart from this, there are beautiful paintings on the walls of the cave, many of which are still glowing with their original colors. These paintings depict the life and rebirth of Buddha and Jataka and folk tales. The two most famous individual painted images at Ajanta are the figures of protective bodhisattvas, Padmapani and Vajrapani. Thus, these caves are regarded as masterpieces of Buddhist religious art. Surprisingly, these caves were covered by jungle until accidentally discovered and brought to attention in 1819 by a British officer, Captain John Smith. In 1983, the Ajanta Caves were declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As mentioned, it was the first UNESCO World Heritage Site of the Indian subcontinent. The site is protected in the care of Archaeological Survey of India. The Ajanta style is also found in the Ellora Caves and other sites such as the Elephanta Caves, the Aurangabad Cave, Shivleni Caves and the Cave Temple of Karnataka. This was all about the Ajanta Cave, one of the incredible monuments of India. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.